Hi everybody, it's Angie Hunt here once again. I've got sneak peek number 2 because we're going to be on HSN again next week. Jot this down in case you missed it on the first sneak peek. This is going to be next Tuesday already, August 13th. The first time I'm going on is at 12 a.m. and then again at 8 a.m. and then 6 p.m. and that's all Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you get ready for us because we are getting ready for you. How about these girls? Look at these. These are Polkadoodles ruby stamps. And there's 6 of them in this whole kit. Check these out. Look at these girls. These are rubber stamps. They're all about 4 inches tall. So check these out. These are really, really good sized image. These are deep etched rubber. So these are going to stamp absolutely beautiful for you every single time. 6 of them. Look at those girls. Let me turn this way. I just love them. These are today's girls. These are modern. They're classy. They're crisp. But look at them. They've got attitude. They're soft. They're sweet. They're business girls. They're moms. They're everybody. They're just adorable. I love how tall and skinny these images are. They're very, very different than a lot of the images out there. They're just, I love them. Let me show you guys some of these colored up because these are so much fun. You know, I got to tell you, there's a lot of detail in each of these, but they're really, really easy to color. Look how fun that is. She is ready for a night out on the town. Just beautiful. Check these out. We've put 3 of them together. Look how gorgeous that is. I mean, gee, look at the detail. Look at their faces. They're beautiful expressions. They're so sweet. All the detail in their clothes. I mean, these girls, I'll tell you, check them out. Look how fun that is. I love the bright colors in this card. I love her dark hair with her yellow dress. You know, the really, really cool thing about working with these stamps is that you can make these girls look like anybody you want. You can give them whatever color skin or hair or clothing, anything you like. Look how fun. Absolutely love these. There are 6 of these stamps in all. These cards are just, I could go on and on and on. Not 6 of these cards, I'm sorry, 6 of these stamps. You're going to get all together in one kit. Again, they're Polkadoodles. Her name is Ruby. This is the first time we're going to be showing Ruby to you on HSN. I just love her because she is really today's girl. She's so much fun. Oh my goodness. Look at some of the names of these. We've got, this one says pretty cute, so sassy, 9 to 5, Divalicious, oh my gosh, new puppy, oh, and then over there we've got celebration. She's got a birthday cake. These are so fun. I love them. I love them. Okay. Let's do a giveaway because we love doing giveaways with you guys. So we've got 1 stamp kit, 6 stamps all together. Fantastic pricing at HSN as always. So let's get you guys started with a giveaway. Down below, actually, let's go back to this. Tell me which one of these girls you like the most. You can see their names right there, and I rattled them off for you really quickly. Tell me which one you like the most. Actually, no. Tell me which one is the most like you and why. Leave that in a comment down below. And on Monday, I'm going to announce the winner in our Facebook group. So if you're not part of our Facebook group, you're going to want to join our Facebook group. And leave your comment in the video. I'll also have the video on the Facebook group, so you can leave a comment there as well. We're going to choose 1 winner on Monday. I'm going to get it posted there, and as soon as I get back from HSN, we'll get it shipped out to you. So jot this down if you didn't catch it earlier. The show is going to be next Tuesday, August 13th, Eastern Standard Time. I go on at midnight, and then 8 a.m., and then 6 p.m. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you guys there, and make sure you join me. Bye for now.